And this has been my kitchen.
Welcome to Cooking with Wolf Dog. I know it's usually cooking with SonicBlu, but we're actually going to be switching things around a little bit. So what interesting items do we have here? Well, these are all dollar store items. And, well, the first thing is we have broccoli and cheese bites, steak cut french fries, chicken strips, and chicken nuggets. Even though they call it chicken breast nuggets, but I don't know why. I can understand the chicken breast strips, but I don't know. It's just kind of weird. So let's see. So yeah, I mean, these are some really, some common things you'd find over at the dollar store. And they're pretty cheap. So let's see. So let's go ahead and just kind of, we already got the deep fryer preheating right now. So hopefully by the time I'm done showing these off, they'll be ready to go. So let's go ahead and break into these broccoli cheese bites. Now, let's see what we have here. Just like this. Let's see. Alright. So again, these are, and it's made by a company called Snaps. It's kind of an interesting name. So let's see. Let's go ahead and pull out and see. So let's see. Let's pull it. Wait. Isn't that mostly just bag?
That is mostly air. You think that is air you are holding?
If they really wanted to do this, they could have just they could have just cut it down to there.
How many is there? There's 1, 2. Let's count them all together, folks. This is like Sesame Street. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8 broccoli and cheese bites in one box of Snaps. Wow. How is that going to...
Look at that. Look, you could put another 8 up here. I kid you not. You could probably put another 8 up in this pocket up here.
Probably because it's the Dollar Tree, and Dollar Tree doesn't believe in filling their bags up.
You guys suck.
Okay. Well, let's be comical and continue on with the chicken breast nuggets and see how many you get in there. You probably might get 3.
Yeah, it would be just our luck, right? It's like, how many do you get in these?
Caesars. Les scissors.
But no, I'm afraid, okay, if that only has 8, I'm afraid of what these two are going to have in them.
And the steak fries look plentiful.
There's plenty of steak fries in there, but yeah. But unfortunately,
the broccoli cheese bites
are just horrible.
They only got 8. It doesn't even say on the package how many you get. You just get 8.
You just have to guess.
Wait, how many are on the box? How many are on top of the box? Let's see. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got the one that's open. That's 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 on the box. There's 8 of them. Actual number, actual quantity is on the box. They say they got 8. There's 8 on the box. There you go. Do the math.
Well, there's what's in there.
Again, half the bag, or
not too bad.
It's not as bad as the broccoli bites.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells good. Ooh, that really smells good.
You just open those up and
You just get this whoosh of chicken.
You can definitely smell the chicken. That's for sure.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's go to this next one.
Let's see for a laugh how much you get. How much you get? Oh my God! They actually put some in the bag. No, how many? How many did they put in there?
I have no idea. Less than 10, I'm sure.
You can actually count them all still in the bag. That's sad.
I'm thinking probably about 10 or less. I wouldn't put a past it on that one.
And now let's open up the steak fries. The moment you're all been waiting for. How many steak fries come in a bag? Is it an illusion from the outside of the bag? Or do they actually give you a good amount? Let's take a look. Wow. Ooh. They do give you a good amount. Look at that. Look at all those fries in there, dude. Damn, you can make a meal out of this bag alone.
Yeah, I know, right?
Shoot.
Yeah, you can make your own. Yeah, you can make your own meal out of that.
Yeah.
So what the heck? They
So-
stamp on everything else.
Yeah.
The fries are okay.
But who makes the fries? This is by somebody else. This is by Farm Select. And then these ones are made by the same maker. They are, it doesn't say.
Circle of Ranch? Is that
Oh wait, yeah, Circle a Ranch.
what the heck?
What the hell is? Oh wait, no, Circle A Ranch. Circle A. You know, like the Circle K, only it's a Circle A. Circle A Ranch.
That doesn't make any sense, but okay.
It sounds like it should be in a kid's book. Circle a ranch. Can you circle the ranch?
It doesn't sound
Okay, so over here to the deep fryer we go. Oh look, I found a piece of the inside of my coat. We missed that. Okay. My coat bursted open, so we had to sew it recently. Okay. Here we are at the deep fryer, and I just put fresh oil in the deep fryer. So we are now going to have Wolf Dog first try the chicken nuggets.
Well, we're gonna go with the.
We're gonna put. Wow. How many is that? How many? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. 8. 8 is the magic number. You know what? No. Here, wait. Let's do both of these at the same time.
You want to do both of those?
Oh wait, that is the nuggets.
No, those are the cheese bites.
Oh, those are the. Oh, okay. I'm counting the wrong thing. Okay, never mind. Go ahead and drop them. I thought we were doing the chicken first. I wasn't sure. That was the 8 broccoli bites. There they are in the deep fryer. And so in a moment, we're going to see how well these things come out and how well they taste. Because taste is everything in a presentation, in food. And taste is everything.
You would think so.
So while those are cooking, Wolf Dog is going to do a song and dance about broccoli bites.
I am not gonna do that. No. I am not gonna do that. Other than the fact of I just can't believe that they skimp you on those things.
I wonder how many, like while those are cooking, we should count out how many chicken breast strips we get. There's like, okay, so that's the size of them right there. Compared to my hand there, that's about the size you get. And folks, there is 8.5 chicken breast strips.
8.5 of them.
Now, if they only give you 8 of those nuggets, I'm going to be very disappointed.
Well, why don't you find out?
Let's find out.
Let's find out.
Let's find out while we're here. Okay, move the steak fries. Let me put this up. I'll put them on there. In the bag of Circle A Ranch chicken breast nuggets, 11 in one bag of chicken breast nuggets. You get 11 nuggets.
That's better than what it was.
That could be 8. That could be easily have been 8. And as you can see, those broccoli chicken bites are bubbling up nicely, or not bubbling up, but browning up nicely.
Did they bubbling up?
Bubbling. Now it's bubbling. But they're browning up nicely, and in a few moments we'll be starting to see some cheese leak out, and that means they're ready to be eaten, or at least ready to come out of the deep fryer. So, I don't suppose that's going to take very long, so onto a plate they will go. And I'll just get that ready for us.
Yeah, it shouldn't take too long. Shouldn't take too much longer for those. Shouldn't anyway.
It's like being in a jacuzzi.
Yeah.
Those broccoli chicken bites or chicken bites. Those broccoli cheesy bites are enjoying that jacuzzi.
Those are browning up really nicely too.
Yeah, they are.
Well, I guess we'll see on what it's like when we.
And then what we'll do to save time, we'll put these together with those, and they should be finished by about the same time. And then we'll do
They
the
should
steak
be,
fries.
yeah.
Steak
Yeah,
fries. I'm looking forward to those steak fries. In fact, what are fries without some Himalayan pink salt? Himalayan, I'm a laying, we're all laying. Some Himalayan pink salt. Are you ready? Well, the cheese isn't leaking out yet, so I think they might be just close to ready. I'll just leave them down for maybe another minute. We'll see. It says ready in minutes, but they never tell you how many minutes it'll be ready in.
I don't know whenever they said something about that.
I think you have to pay extra for that information. It says ready in minutes, but you're only paying $1, so they don't really tell you how many minutes is
the thing
minutes.
is, I could actually see that happen too.
It's like you
can see that.
want instructions? You want instructions? Why don't you go to Walmart and pay top dollar for this stuff?
Yeah, and then come back to us.
Then you'll get your instructions. Okay, it's starting to crackle. So usually when that happens, it's usually the food is. We'll just call it done. They've been down there long enough in the midnight sea. Oh, what's becoming of me? Holy diver.
I wouldn't know.
There's our broccoli chicken, why do I keep calling them chicken bites? Broccoli cheesy bites. There they are. Okay, next, we're going to take these nuggets carefully to the deep fryer. And while we're at it, we're going to carry our chicken breast strips, which look like chicken legs, our 7.5 or 8.5 or however many is in it. Look, and you can fill, for 2 packages, you can fill 1 basket. Practically, well, and look at it, boil, toil and trouble and bubble and stuff.
Good stuff.
And stuff.
You said these are done.
Oh yeah, I'd say they're done. I'd say they look good. Look at that. Look at that chicken.
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 This is gonna be fun. I was gonna say you might want to move those out of there. One, two, and no, you don't.
All right. Now it's looking delicious. Look at all that. Deep fried goodness. All right. Last up, these steak fries. Let's see how many in a bag would fit in there. The whole thing, probably. Look at all of those steak fries. Is that all of them?
Yep.
Damn! Look at that. They load you up on steak fries, don't they? That oil is angry. Like, how dare you drop that ice-covered stuff in me? And then it calms down when all the water is gone, all the ice melts away, and
This is gonna take the longest.
yep. So now, in the meantime, Wolf Dog is going to do a song and dance about steak fries.
No.
No,
No.
I don't want to.
No. I don't want to.
Could dip them in peanut butter. No, I've dipped plenty of things in peanut butter. Let's not do that. No.
Oh, you don't want to do that?
No, I've dipped plenty of things in peanut butter. I think everybody is peanut buttered out. Damn, I really wanted some ranch. I thought I brought home some ranch.
Okay.
Unless I used it all already and I didn't know.
Yeah, these are gonna.
don't think there's any upstairs, is there?
I don't know if there is.
I don't think there is, yeah, because I might have used the ranch upstairs. I'm always using ranch dressing. Any in the freezer? Nope, not in the freezer. Nope. No ranch in the freezer.
I don't think they... Why would you want frozen?
I don't know. I'm just weird that way. Well, we have ketchup and mustard. Why did I buy another thing of mustard when we already had a thing of mustard there to begin with? I don't know. I could dip it in hoisin sauce. That's not a bad idea. Hoisin sauce. Well, if I had barbecue. Barbecue sauce. No, I don't have barbecue. Do I have barbecue? No.
I
I don't have barbecue.
You're gonna have to deal with that.
I don't wanna dip it in ketchup. You know, I'm a bit of a gourmet. I could dip it in hoisin sauce and make it taste oriental. Okay. I'm down for a little hoisoning.
Poisoning?
Yeah, poisoning. I'm gonna hoisin myself today.
We might need to get another plate.
Oh, yes.
We're gonna need to,
Let's put it in here. Perfect.
You think that will be big enough?
It should be.
Okay.
It's Dollar Tree food. It should be big enough. That's pretty sad. Yeah, this is food from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, it'll fit in there.
I think it'll fit. We will, if not, we'll make it fit in there somehow, some way.
No, that's got a long way to go.
Yeah.
It's starting to come up though. It's starting to change color. Meanwhile, let's ogle this. Ooh, ooh, ah, oh.
Now we need
ooh.
Thank you.
Hey, save it for the taste test, Bob. We got the sus. So here they are, folks. There is our Dollar Tree munchies. We will start by balancing a plate on my knee. We will start with the broccoli cheesy bite. That is the broccoli cheesy bite there. So it's got a good weight to it, you know, when it's done. It's got a lot of stuff in there. I'm going to try a bite of that. It's not bad. It's not bad. The breading is nice and fluffy. There's a little hint of broccoli in there. It's not too overwhelming. It blends perfectly with the cheese. I'd say this one is pretty nice. Despite the fact they only give you 8 of them, that's not bad. Try one.
Those are good.
Mm-hmm. Those are pretty good. Now, a broccoli and cheese bite dipped in the sauce. Okay, there's the sauce. It tastes funny at first, but as all of the flavors begin to meld together, it tastes better. And now, dip in sauce, and one for Wolf Dog. So try that.
There you go.
It's not bad at first. I mean, it's funny at first, but then taste it when all the flavors start to meld. See how it like changes and evolves?
Yeah.
And now it's like quite delicious. It changes from funny to delicious in about 30 seconds. Maybe less than that, maybe about 15 seconds.
Probably.
Alright, so enough of the cheesy bites. Let's go right over to the chicken nuggets. Chicken breast nuggets from Circle A Ranch. First, dipped in the sauce. The sauce. Wait, I'm supposed to try one without the sauce.
Oh well.
Hey, give me that one. Without the sauce. Oh my god, that's moist. Oh my god, that is so moist. That chicken is very moist, very tender. You can taste a tad bit of seasoning on the breading. Just a tiny bit, but it's there. That is not bad.
Now try it with
Try it with the sauce. That's not bad either. Not too bad. So now Wolf Dog is going to try one without the sauce.
Okay.
And notice how moist and tender that chicken is inside.
Mm-hmm.
This is the part of the show I love. Eating.
Of course.
And now, one dipped in sauce. Dipped in the sauce.
It's going to be an interesting combination, but hey, we'll see what happens. That doesn't taste that bad at all.
Yeah. So I can assume that since this is also made by Circle A Ranch, this should have the same consistency as the chicken nuggets. Oh yeah. The chicken on the chicken breast strips are thicker. You can really, really taste the chicken. And you get a mouthful of it in one bite. Dollar Tree, you did it again. This is very good. I really like these. Now I'm going to try dipping one in the sauce. That is pretty good.
The sad thing is they can't see you, but they can see me doing this.
So one without, and you get that really huge burst of chicken, like your mouth fills with chicken. That stuff's really good. I can actually see picking up 2 bags of this and getting full. That was pretty good. Okay, now try one with the sauce. Dip it in the sauce. Much like the chicken breast nuggets, it tastes pretty identical. That's not bad either. Let's try it with the fries now. And this is the big finish. Let's see how the steak fries are. And how is it?
Those are actually really good.
Are they? Okay, so there's a nice hot steak fry. A little limp. A really limp steak fry. I better hold it the other way. That is pretty good.
This will be interesting to see what these would taste like with these. Let's see.
Those are good steak fries.
That's pretty good as well.
Really? Let me see. Okay, got a steak fry. Dipping it in the sauce. Very nice. So Dollar Tree does make some delicious food. We started off with the broccoli cheesy bite. Still tastes pretty good. And then the chicken breast nuggets. And then the chicken tenders. And lastly, the steak fries. All four together. And come to think of it, you know, this meal gives you all the ingredients in the major food groups. You got the vegetable inside here,
Yeah.
and your dairy,
That's true.
poultry, starch, and something to wash it down with. Sauce. But not having the sauce makes you get the tremendous hiccups. So, review time. Out of all the four items we've had tonight, what would probably be the first greatest to the least? The best liked to the least liked?
Well, I liked all of them in general. I mean, the cheese bites are good. Definitely the nuggets and the chicken strips are good. I would say probably if I were to think about it, I would probably say, well, these two are about the same, since,
Right.
you know, since they're the same. I would probably say, I'd say the fries would probably be first. The cheesy bites would be second, I would say. Well, actually, no, we'll say that these ones are actually second for those ones. And then the third, I'd say for the
Cheesy bites.
the cheesy bites.
I would order this myself as... First, I would have to say that the chicken breast, the tenders, at number one. Mainly because you get so much more, and you get more flavor, and you get more filling desire, because it's like the difference between an appetizer and the main course, and there's a huge night and day difference between the two. So definitely the chicken the chicken strips first, and then the chicken nuggets second, because I love chicken bites and chicken tenders. The third place I would definitely place with the steak fries, and last but certainly not least, the broccoli cheesy bites. Mainly because sometimes I'm in a veggie mood, sometimes I'm not in a veggie mood, but the cheese is I'm always in a mood for cheese. And these actually turned out really amazing. It's very difficult to lump these into 1 through 4, but if I was going by order of preference, that's what I would do. Would I get these again? Oh yeah. If I was in need of money and I needed a quick pick-me-up, I would get this.
Yeah, I would agree with that.
And don't forget to keep plenty of sus on hand. Sus. So, in conclusion, do you recommend people investigate their Dollar Tree stores to see what they can find?
I would. Because there are a lot of dollar stores, sometimes they do carry name brand stuff.
They do. And it's always worth a shot. It's only $1. It's not like you're going to be out much. And if it happens to taste terrible, you give it to somebody you don't like.
Yeah.
So, before we part, any final words for our audience?
Not that I could think of.
Well, one thing comes to my mind. We thank you very much for watching. And remember, if you're not cooking good, you're not eating good. And this is good eating. For only $1 per entree. Can't go wrong with that.
Nope.
And I can't go wrong without another steak fry. Oh, that's good stuff. Ready, set, action.
And a burger, no less. Why does that not surprise me?
Well, we need bloopers. That would be a blooper. How to make
That
Wolf
would
Dog
be a
laugh when calling action.
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 Excuse me? Excuse me.
We're gonna have to bleep that one.
I wonder why. Nobody will know. Nobody will know. Only but we will know on what was actually said there.
Okay. Action.
Well, hello. This is going to be a turn of events here. Instead of cooking with SonicBlu, it'll be called cooking with Wolf Dog, apparently. Well, I'm going to be showing you some Dollar Tree items. Oh my god. Really? And my phone's on there. Go figure.